Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my social media planner by Practical Paper Company for the week of October 21st through the 27th using this magical Halloween kit by SweetTPlans. This kit is actually no longer available in her shop, but she does have a lot of other kinds of kits. This is called the Deco Kit. So if you chose to get this kit, you'd get, depending on what you choose, one page like this, a deco kind of page, and then if you added add-ons, I believe this is an add-on that you can get, and then the deco sheet itself. But this is the kit. I got it last year and I've been waiting to use it. I thought it was so cute, plus it's like right around the corner for Halloween, so I figured it was a good kit to use. And then I also have this washi from No White Space stickers that I also got a while ago. I think honestly it was around March of this year or something like that. I don't even remember, but I thought that the colors in this fit really well with the theme of the kit. So that is the washi that we are going to use. If you guys have seen any of my videos before, then you kind of know how this works for my social media planner. But if you are interested in buying a social media planner or checking out any of Practical Paper Company's information or any of their planners, you can check out the description box below. I will have Practical Paper Company listed as well as all of their information, all of their social media, and SweetTPlans. I am on a PR team for both SweetTPlans and Practical Paper Company. For Practical Paper Company, you can use my code PPCMegan. It will save you 20% off of your website. And then for SweetTPlans, you can use my code Megan24. It will save you 25% off of your order on SweetTPlans website, and you will also receive my freebie. This is what the freebie looks like. It is super cute, and I highly recommend you guys check out both of these sites. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and begin with this week. Y'all, it seriously blows my mind that it is almost the end of October and that it is almost November, but this is really exciting because the weather has been, I'm not going to use this washi for the spine. The weather has been absolutely beautiful and gorgeous weather. Florida is known for its nastiness, and at the time of me filming this video, we have not officially gotten the yes on if there is going to be a hurricane coming. From what I was told, it's going to be around the 20th, but we are not 100% sure if that is a falsity or if it is actually happening. So all of the good thoughts, please, if we do have a hurricane. That's also why I'm filming a little bit ahead of time. Another reason why I'm filming a little ahead of time than I usually do is because I am working a bunch of overtime this weekend and I am not going to have time to film. So I'm actually doing this right before my night shift begins. I start at like 6 o'clock today, and it is bright and early. My morning shift body is used to being up, so I was like, you know what, we are going to go ahead and just film this so that I can relax when I get home from work at like 2 a.m. I usually work mornings, but because it is Halloween season at Disney, I have been getting more night shifts just because sometimes I like to work them. It's honestly just dependent on how much fun I've had and how much work I've been doing at the beginning of the month and at the beginning of the week. So yeah, that's my little explanation for you guys on how things have been going. I really I think I'm going to cover this date up because I want to use this washi. So yeah, that's all of the information that I have on how this week has been looking. Also, you guys, super exciting news. I don't know if it's exciting, but it's hopeful. I am actually no longer a PhotoPass photographer. Yeah, I know. I work for Disney still. If you guys didn't know, surprise, I work for Disney. I used to be the person who takes pictures of you in front of the castle and in various locations around the park. But I have transferred to a new location and I am now working at Starbucks. Am I excited about that? I don't know. It's gonna take some getting used to, because I did used to work at Starbucks when I was on the college program. So if you don't know, Disney has a college program where if you are just beginning college, or you need like just a semester off for like, internships and things like that, they offer a college program where you can take a semester or two, depending on how your university works, and you can work for the company as a college program student, and you, depending on your university, get college credit for that. So I did that during my time in college before I had to step back for a little bit, and it was really fun. I did like it. Now, there are some negatives about working, as a college program student, but we're not going to get into those because this is a happy video, and we're not going to talk about negatives because we don't want to talk about negatives. That's bad, right? We don't want to talk about that. So anyways, that is how I have been. I was in the college program before COVID hit. So that is my little fun explanation to the college program. But anyways, I worked at Starbucks during my little college program stunt, and it was interesting. That's all we're going to say. We're not going to say anything else. But it's not going to be for too long because I am moving away from Orlando soon-ish. If you've been following me for a little bit, then you kind of already know what's been happening, but I am moving away from Orlando for a little bit just to work on my finances and to work on my mental state, because y'all, she is not great right now. I'm trying to layer this so I don't cut off Goofy's little head there. But yeah, that's how things have been happening. That's how life has been. I hope you guys have been having an okay time with your life and things have been working out well for you. Things have been working out well for me. They've not been like terrible or anything. It's just I need to do some more, soul searching on what I want to do in life, and moving to a place where I can do that is going to be more beneficial to me, because I have had an extremely tough year this year. I have had multiple different life events just hitting me all at once, and it has been really, really hard to recover from those. So yeah, that is the whole situation. That is what's been happening in my life. All right. Oh, this is coming together so fast. It's because I've been talking as I've been planning. I'm actually going through my sticker book here just to make sure that I don't have any other, what are they called? Habit trackers, because I am looking for a few that I want to use, or some boxes and things, maybe like some labels that I can use to write down my filming and editing list. I don't know if I'm gonna need those though, so we're seeing what we have to work for. Okay, this isn't technically from SweetTPlans, but it will work for what I need it to be used for. Okay, now we are going to look over here. We don't have Goofy on this side, and we don't have Daisy. So we're going to add those guys over to this side here. And I don't think we have Donald here either, so we will also add him, just to add a little bit of character to our spread. We love cute little Donald. Oh, he is one of the fun characters to work with at Disney. I absolutely love Donald. He's a hoot and a half, He's got so many things to say. He's always talkative. Okay, let's do one more pumpkin over here. Then we're going to move over to this side, and I think we're going to add the duo, because why not? We might not add them, actually, now that I'm thinking of it, because we've already got a lot going on over here. I wish we had Pluto, because he's the one we are missing. It's okay, though. We will... Could we do Mickey? We'll use Mickey. Ooh, but I don't know. No, we'll use Mickey because we don't have a duplicate of Mickey over here. I love also that Mickey and Donald are mummies, because one of the, you know, running jokes is that Donald is number one because everyone else says Mickey is number one, and Donald gets upset and his feelings get hurt because he wants to be number one. Everyone says Mickey Mouse is number one, but he's number one. So you're welcome for explaining all of this to you. I'm sure you don't particularly want to listen to me ramble about Disney, but a lot of people are super interested in hearing about, you know, working for the company and such, and I might talk about it. I'm not going to go into that right now. That's a once I'm done conversation. I don't know. I love the characters, and I love working with the characters. They are absolutely just so much fun to work with. So I highly recommend you meet a Disney character if you haven't met a Disney character at Disney, because they're hilarious. They really are. I think I am going to do a little bit here. I usually do post on Saturdays on Sarah Art, but I can put a box over that. And you know what? I think we're gonna do the same thing here, because I don't want to waste this cute washi. And we might put a little cutesy somewhere. How about we do it like that? I gotta lift up Donald's little hands here. Okay, and I'm kind of thinking of doing a little bit up here, so we've got to move Goofy's head. This spread is turning out way faster than I thought it was going to. I thought it was going to take a long time to do this, but sometimes when you just have the right idea of how you want to do something, it just comes together so flawlessly, and I love that. I don't know if I want to use this extra piece or not. I mean, I guess I could use it down here in this corner, right? That wouldn't hurt anything. It's kind of cute. Look at this, you guys. It's adorable. And we have little characters left over, which I probably will use in another spread at another time. Kind of feel like I should do a little bit more of this color just to tie it in. You know, why not, right? Why not use a little bit? We are going to cut this. All right, you guys, look at this. This turned out super cute. I really like how this looks. That is it for this week in my social media planner by Practical Paper Company, using the Magical Halloween kit from SweetTPlans. I really love how this looks. I think it's super cute. I love the Halloween theme, and I'm obsessed. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you are subscribed, hit that notification bell so you are notified when I do post new videos. Once again, don't forget to check out SweetTPlans and Practical Paper Company. Both of their information will be linked in the description box, so you can check them out if you are so interested in purchasing from their shop. And don't forget to mention my name and use my code if you want to save some money. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.